Do it now. Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard, glad you could join me today. On today's cook, we're going to use Weber's chili lime rub that has salt, garlic, onions, chili peppers, paprika, red bell peppers, chipotle powder, paprika extract, lime juice, and other natural flavors. Too much to remember at one time. On a Mexican inspired meatloaf that is going to be stuffed with Mexican cheese. So let's go ahead and get started. I got here about 2 pounds of ground meat. Half of a very small green bell pepper diced up. Half of a very small onion diced. I drained a can of mild Rotella. Gonna put about half the can of it in there. And about 2 tablespoons worth of seasoning in there. And now we just got to mix it all up. All right, time to add it to the pan. Time to pour the cheese in. All right, and now it's set. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the pit boss now, 350 degrees, till it reaches temp, and pull it off. Let it rest for a couple minutes, and it'll be ready to be sliced up. So let's go ahead and get started. The grill has reached a temperature of 350 degrees. I'm putting it on the center rack. Today I'm using a mixture of charcoal and competition blend from Pit Boss. I know a lot of people don't really care for the charcoal blend. This is my first time running with it. I've seen a lot of other people mix the blends together and have good results. So I'm hoping that'll be the same thing for me today. Well, first off, hope everybody's staying fine, staying safe. Got a pretty bad storm rolling in right now, so sorry about that noise in the background. Can't really change that. Started the video a little too late in the day, apparently. Just had to go put the geese up. Can't let the pets roam around during the storm. Got some parts in for my lights. I have more parts in on Monday to put up some of the lights that I got. So I'll be able to start using some of those equipment pretty soon. So I'll be able to start pumping out some of those videos. All in all, things looking up over here. Still got stickers available. Anybody interested in those? Details be below. Thank you all for watching. We're now done. Just a little excess grease on the top. Let that just to happen. Let it cool down now. And be ready to cut it up. The meatloaf is now done. And it looks great. Gonna go ahead now and try to take it out of its pan. There we go. It smells wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and slice into it now. The cheesy center oozing out of it. Looks beautiful. Gonna go ahead now, cut off a little piece. Alright, gonna just scoop out a little bit and do a taste test. Going in for a taste test. Oh yeah. You can definitely taste the creaminess from the cheese and the Rotella and the peppers and onions. Next time I'll put a lot more of the chili lime rub in there. I'll definitely put a little disclaimer at the beginning of the video for it. But overall, still a very good dish. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.